Chevra, we're here by Meet and Boat in Loch Sheldrake with Nachum. Over here at Meet and Boat, every day there's something happening. What's going on tonight here?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nachum. I'm the executive chef here at Meet and Boat. Let me take you around to our venue event.
Something's happening here tonight.
Yeah, as you can see here, there's that grill.
That's the grill that we spoke about last time.
Yes, that is correct.
Get back here, get back here.
Here's
What's happening
an
here
engagement
tonight?
party that's happening here tonight.
Wow.
As you can see, we're working with party planners.
Look at this,
As
gorgeous.
much as needed. Beautiful table here.
Get back
The
here,
client
Chevra.
tonight asked for something special for shishi besides kugel and cholent. So here's schnitzel challah. We got them Rebische challahs.
Schnitzel challah, that's a new one. I never saw that.
Yeah.
Look at the table, the flowers, the decor, music setting up over there. Photographers here.
And while service is being served upstairs.
So the whole restaurant's continuing, everything's running here.
Everything is running.
And you have over here, I love the
Regular.
schnitzel challah. What do you, Chevra, get back here. You ever saw such a thing in your life? Rebische schnitzel challah. Wait, this is a new recipe? I never saw this.
We come up with everything that the client can
The client wants
have
schnitzel
not
challah?
dream about.
It's crazy.
We
So
will
you-
always surprise the client with something new that he did not
crazy.
think about.
So you do regular simchas here, from Sheldrake to Varts to Noim.
We had here Sheriff Brachas the past Sunday with the grill. We have
Really?
here tonight an engagement party
It's amazing.
without a grill.
Beautiful.
and
Look at the
we-
view, Chevra. Look at the view here. So you sit
This
here.
is one of a kind. You're never going to see this beautiful view. As you can
Gorgeous.
see, this beautiful clean lake. We have here our boats. I think that adds a little bit to
It makes
the
it very
view.
cool vibe.
Yeah, we have some fire pits coming up from both sides.
Wow. So any
And
night,
obviously, the clients here for the summer, we have a juice bar. Right now is being prepared fresh
for the Vart.
for the engagement party.
That's crazy. Very cool.
As you can see, the families are taking advantage of this beautiful view that there is here. Taking pictures there.
Oh wow, they have a photographer there, they're taking pictures.
Yeah. Instead of going to one location to take pictures and then another location for the event.
You have
you
all
have
here.
All in one.
That's crazy. Beautiful.
By the way, we do have an option to bring a sushi chef down here
Really?
to make
Fresh sushi on the spot.
fresh sushi on the spot. Obviously, we cannot bring from upstairs. That's the only way to have fresh sushi down here because that's Milchaka restaurant, and we
Oh.
have all the equipment, Parav, to come down for our
That's so
fleshik
cool.
event.
So cool.
Do you
Wow.
want to? As
Look
you
at
can
that.
see, I spoke about the fire pits. Here, one is already littered.
So the audience could chill here by the
sit,
party.
chill here.
So
You
nice.
can,
So beautiful.
mommy, do not listen, mothers. you can smoke here.
Don't listen
Let
to
me
mothers.
take you to our deck. We have here 3 islands. If you want to sit with your family privately, seat
3
12
private
people.
islands.
Yes, sits 12 people each table like this.
I love the ramp up here. Such a vibe.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Let me
Have a
take
look
you
at this,
to the
look at
deck
this.
upstairs. As you can see, we have plenty sitting here. A tent coming up tonight.
Really?
Yeah, so we can start official dining next week.
Wow.
There's behind you will come up another tent. Whoever wants fast food at night.
So you have a fast food area and a dining area.
Correct.
Very cool. So this is all for the Fleischiger restaurant.
All this for Meat and Boat. Fast food, we are focused on good, fast, and dining, wait and see. As you can see, we think about the best. So we have Horns Bakery delivering to us every week fresh cakes, sourdough, challos,
So you have here for
etc.
Shabbos, everything you
can
need.
come, you can enjoy, and you can buy whatever you need for Shabbos.
Nice. Chaim, unbelievable you guys pulled off over here. What's this new addition this year here?
So this year, we tried making the boat rental experience seamless, where you rent a boat and you see the boats while you're renting it. You come here to any one of our new kiosks over here,
Crazy.
right here. Come on, let me show
Insane,
you.
insane.
Over here, You see all the boats. You
So you
have
just
all the
order your boat
options.
here.
Order your boat here, and if you prepay for time, you get a discount up to 40% off. Look over
Wow, wow.
here. 40% off. You can see all the available boats.
It's crazy.
Then we also have a
Ice
new addition
cream.
this year. We have sprinkles ice cream gelato.
That's
we have
crazy.
soft serve. Over here we have Klein
So you
soft
get
serve.
your ice cream, you go on the boat.
Slushy. We have imported snacks,
Really?
chocolates. We have popcorn, cotton candy, and many, many more things.
So on a hot day, the dream is you take an ice cream,
Exactly.
you go on the boat.
Anything for the whole family.
Gorgeous.
Anything and everything, and you can take it on the picnic boat.
That's crazy. That's
But
insane.
don't forget to buy your food at any of our 3 amazing restaurants. Right above, we have Fleishik, Milchik, and Parv.
So it's crazy that you already have 3 restaurants. Next year's gonna be
So-
probably more, 4 or 5.
I can't say everything.
Secret's coming. One thing,
working
you
on
open Motzei Shabbos?
Yes, we are. of
Motzei
course.
Shabbos, you guys are open. It's crazy.
We are open. Motzei Shabbos. It's an amazing vibe over here.
The vibe here is insane by night.
So Green Lips just
This is the
closed
juice
for-
bar?
This is the juice bar. Yeah.
You guys are having a shave to the Vert tonight, so you're
Correct.
doing now a juice bar for the Vert.
They're doing right. They're preparing fruits and acai for the vort.
All right, Chaim, now we're in Sushi Tokyo.
Correct.
This place is vibing.
We have a new addition this year. Our desserts.
Wow.
We have birthday cakes. We have specialty cakes.
Oh my gosh, you got the TikTok trends here.
We have chocolate mousse. We have the new trend of these
This is what everybody's
specialty
talking about, the specialty.
fruit-shaped cakes.
Oh wow, oh wow.
Unreal. You have to
Yeah,
try.
it's
it.
crazy,
Unreal.
no?
Yes.
You crack it open. I love the vibe here. Look at the nightlife over here at night. You got the nice
Promise
candles.
you, you can't get these views anywhere.
It's crazy. This is
Anywhere.
insane. Look at the views here. But just the view when it gets darker. You have the lights over there. You have the candles over here. This place is fully vibed. Wow. You got the lake overlook over there, Chevre. Wow. Look at the pastries. Look at these pastries, Chaim.
These are all freshly made every single day in-house.
Really?
We have an in-house,
In-house
bakery. Another
bakery.
addition this year. An in-house bakery.
Crazy.
Out of this world. You have to try the rubella.
So this is Sushi Tokyo. Let me hear what's on the menu here.
So here, I'll show you the new things on the menu. We have new additions this year. We have Maki Monday, every single Monday, all you can eat. You have Tapas Tuesday, which is 30% off any appetizer. Ramen on Wednesday. We basically try to bring all our specialty items
Chinese
from our signature restaurant in Brooklyn,
you bring
Sushi
it from-
Tokyo.
Nice.
But we can't do it over here every day, so we keep it special every day, a different special.
Beautiful.
And we have ramen, we have burgers, fish burgers, and during the 9 days, we're gonna have a lot more specials. So check this out, our poke bowls. Look at the size of our poke bowls.
Look at these poke bowls over here. Wow. You're not cheap, Chaim. You don't play games.
We give abundance. Shefa.
Shefa. Look at that poke bowl. Look at that sushi. Wow. And eating this with the view you got over
You
here.
don't get this view anywhere in America.
Chaim, the famous Falafel Tanami from Flatbush is now here by Sushi
Correct.
Tokyo.
We have a new addition this year, Falafel Tanami, all the way
Crazy.
from Brooklyn.
Ran by a good friend from Verdun over here. Catskills in the house with Verdun. You got some good Tanami over there. How did you get Falafel Tanami up?
It's like it's Baruch Hashem.
I mean, you don't even know. You probably do know. People come from all over to the Flatbush Avenue, East 19 now.
Now they're all here. They're all
And
coming
now
here.
they're coming all here in Loch,
And they
Sheldrake.
don't regret it.
You know, you
Come
got them
check
up
this
there.
out. Come check
Make
this
us a
out.
good sandwich, the best in the world. Starting with a little hummus.
Make it spicy.
You know,
make
this
it
is the
spicy.
closest to Israel. The
Absolutely,
closest.
absolutely.
Make a good spicy little rotef. Schug,
Some
tzad.
say even better.
Some say it's better than Israel, huh? This is the best falafel in the world. Everybody knows that falafel. Oh yeah, best falafel bowls. Look at those. Otazoi. Kavada. Get my kick. This is crazy. You get yourself a nice falafel with the tchina on top, with the good bowls on top. And Chaim, you can eat this on the water.
On the water.
Look at that, look at
On
that,
the
look
boat,
at that
on the
drizzle
water.
over there. Woof! Chaim, this is crazy that you got them. It's insane. Falafel Tanami in the house over here.
There's plenty more surprises.
Really? Still
coming
this summer?
soon. Every day there's new surprises.
Wow, we got
New
some.
additions.
We even got Klein's Natural that came down here to be. It was so nice.